Stop! Before you put that fuel nozzle into your Volkswagen, you need to hear this. Because one wrong fill-up, just one, can silently destroy your engine, and you won't even realize it until it's too late. I'm talking about rough idling, sudden power loss, warning lights popping up out of nowhere, and in worst cases, thousands in repair costs. And here's the scary part. It's not always about the fuel type, it's about where you're getting it from. Some gas stations, even ones that look completely normal, can have contaminated fuel, water-mixed petrol, or low-quality additives that slowly damage your fuel injectors, clog your system, and reduce your engine life over time. And if you're driving a Volkswagen, your engine is even more sensitive to fuel quality. But don't worry. In this video, I'm going to reveal the exact types of gas stations you should never use, the hidden signs of bad fuel that most drivers ignore, and a simple trick that can literally save your engine. Unknown and no-name gas stations. The hidden danger. Not all gas stations are equal, and the first type you should never trust is those small, unknown, no-name fuel stations. You've probably seen them. Slightly cheaper prices, no long lines, maybe even looking clean and okay at first glance. And that's exactly what makes them dangerous. Because behind that normal appearance, many of these stations don't maintain proper fuel storage or quality control. Their underground tanks may not be cleaned regularly, filters might be outdated, and in some cases, fuel can even get mixed with dirt, rust particles, or tiny amounts of water. And once that contaminated fuel goes into your Volkswagen, the damage doesn't happen instantly. It builds up silently. Your fuel injectors start getting clogged, combustion becomes uneven, the engine starts working harder than it should, just to give you normal performance. At first, you might ignore the signs. A slight drop in mileage, a little hesitation when accelerating, maybe a rough idle at traffic signals. But over time, these small issues turn into bigger problems. Misfires, loss of power, and expensive repairs that could have been completely avoided. And here's the worst part. Most people never connect these issues back to the fuel station. They blame the car, the engine, the parts. But the real problem started at the pump. So next time you see a station that's unfamiliar, poorly maintained, or suspiciously cheaper than others, don't take the risk. Because with your Volkswagen, cheap fuel today can mean costly damage tomorrow. Recently, refueled tanker stations, a risk most drivers ignore. Never fuel your Volkswagen right after a fuel tanker has just refilled the station's underground tanks. It might seem completely harmless. I mean, fresh fuel just arrived, right? But here's the problem. When that tanker dumps fuel into the underground storage, it stirs up everything sitting at the bottom of the tank. Dirt, debris, and tiny water particles that have settled over time. All that contamination gets mixed into the fuel, and for the next few hours, every car filling up there is basically taking in that disturbed, dirty fuel. And if that fuel goes into your Volkswagen, those particles can clog your fuel injectors, affect fuel pressure, and disturb the air-fuel mixture your engine relies on to run smoothly. You might not notice it instantly, but soon, the car feels slightly off. Acceleration isn't as smooth, engine response drops, and over time, performance starts degrading. And just like before, most people don't realize the cause, because it all started with when they filled up, not where. So here's a simple rule that can save your engine. If you see a fuel tanker parked at a gas station, or just leaving, don't refuel there immediately. Wait a few hours, let everything settle down, because sometimes, timing your fuel stop is just as important as choosing the right station. Low-traffic gas stations. Old fuel, hidden damage. Here's another type of gas station you should think twice about. Those quiet, low-traffic stations that always seem empty. At first, it might actually feel like a good thing. No waiting, quick service, in and out within minutes. But that emptiness is exactly the problem. because fuel at these stations doesn't get used as often. It sits in underground tanks for long periods of time, and when fuel sits too long, it starts to degrade. Its chemical properties slowly break down, additives lose their effectiveness, and in some cases, condensation can build up inside the tank, leading to moisture mixing with the fuel. So instead of fresh, high-quality petrol, you could be putting aged, lower-quality fuel into your Volkswagen. And modern VW engines are designed to run on precise fuel standards. They rely on clean, high-quality fuel for proper combustion, efficient performance, and smooth power delivery. But when the fuel quality drops, the engine has to compensate. You might start noticing slower throttle response, reduced fuel efficiency, and that heavy feeling when you press the accelerator. Over time, this can lead to carbon buildup inside the engine, clogged injectors, and even strain on critical components like the fuel pump. And again, it doesn't happen overnight. It's slow, silent, and easy to ignore until the damage becomes expensive. So next time you see a gas station that's always empty, rarely has customers, or just feels too quiet, don't assume it's a hidden gem. It could actually be serving fuel that's been sitting there far too long. And for your Volkswagen, fresh fuel isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. Gas stations with poor maintenance, a silent engine killer. Now this one is tricky, because from a distance, everything might look normal. But if you pay a little attention, the warning signs are always there. Dirty surroundings, broken or outdated fuel pumps, leaking nozzles, unclear or faded displays, even the staff not caring about basic cleanliness. All of these are small hints of a much bigger problem behind the scenes. Because if a station isn't maintaining what you can see, chances are they're not maintaining what you can't see either. And that includes their underground fuel storage tanks, the place where your fuel actually comes from. Over time, these tanks can collect dirt, rust, and moisture. Without proper maintenance and filtration systems, all of that contamination can end up mixing with the fuel you're putting into your Volkswagen. And once that happens, the damage begins silently. Your fuel system starts dealing with impurities it was never designed to handle. Filters get clogged faster, injectors lose precision, combustion becomes less efficient, and your engine slowly starts losing its smoothness and power. At first, it might just feel like the car isn't as sharp as it used to be. But over time, those small performance drops can turn into serious mechanical issues, leading to costly repairs that could have been completely avoided. And the worst part, most drivers overlook these stations because they're convenient or on the way. But convenience isn't worth risking your engine. So next time you pull into a gas station, take a quick look around. If it feels neglected, poorly maintained, or just gives off a bad impression, trust that instinct and drive away. Because with your Volkswagen, clean fuel starts with a clean station. Unusually cheap fuel stations, the too good to be true trap. Now, let's talk about one of the most tempting and dangerous types of gas stations. The ones offering fuel at prices that seem too good to be true. You're driving, you see the board, and it's noticeably cheaper than every other station around. Instantly, it feels like you found a smart way to save money. But here's the reality. Fuel prices don't just randomly drop. If one station is significantly cheaper than others in the same area, there's usually a reason behind it, and it's rarely a good one. In some cases, the fuel may be diluted, mixed with lower quality additives, or not meeting proper standards. Even a small compromise in fuel quality can have a big impact on your Volkswagen's engine over time. Because VW engines are designed for precision, they rely on consistent, high-quality fuel to maintain the right air-fuel ratio, proper combustion timing, and smooth performance. But when the fuel quality drops, the engine starts struggling to adapt. You might notice knocking sounds, reduced power, poor fuel economy, or even warning lights showing up unexpectedly. And long-term, It can lead to carbon buildup, injector damage, and serious wear inside the engine, all because of trying to save a few rupees per liter. And here's what makes it worse. The damage doesn't happen instantly, so people keep going back to the same cheap station, thinking everything is fine, until one day, the car starts giving real problems. So remember this simple rule. If the price looks unusually low compared to everywhere else, don't get excited, get cautious. Because when it comes to fuel, cheaper is not better. For your Volkswagen, it can be the beginning of expensive problems. Stations with wrong fuel handling practices. A costly mistake waiting to happen. Here's another type of gas station most people completely overlook, but it can seriously damage your Volkswagen if you're not careful. Gas stations that don't handle fuel properly. Now, this isn't always obvious, but if you pay attention, you'll notice things like attendants being careless, using the same nozzle for different fuel types without proper checks, or not confirming whether your car needs petrol or diesel. And that's where the real danger begins. Because even a small mistake, like putting the wrong fuel in your Volkswagen, can cause immediate and severe damage. Petrol in a diesel engine? It can destroy the fuel pump and injectors. Diesel in a petrol engine? It can clog the system and prevent proper combustion. And it doesn't take a full tank for damage to start. Even a small mix can create serious issues. But it's not just about mixing fuel types. Poor handling can also mean contaminated containers, dirty nozzles, or improper storage practices, all of which increase the chances of impurities entering your fuel system. And as you already know, modern VW engines are not forgiving when it comes to fuel quality. They need clean, correctly handled fuel to perform the way they're designed to. One careless mistake at the pump, and you could be facing engine misfires, starting issues, or even complete system failure. So here's what you should always do. Stay alert when refueling. Make sure the attendant selects the correct fuel type. Double check before they start pumping. And if something feels rushed or careless, don't hesitate to stop them. Because protecting your Volkswagen isn't just about where you fuel up. It's also about how that fuel is handled. Remote highway gas stations. Convenience that can cost you. Here's another type of gas station you should be careful with, especially during long trips. Remote highway gas stations. Now, don't get me wrong. Sometimes you don't have a choice. When you're low on fuel in the middle of nowhere, you have to stop. But whenever you do have a choice, think twice before filling up at these stations. Because many remote stations don't get frequent fuel deliveries, and they don't have the same level of monitoring or maintenance as busy city stations. That means the fuel sitting in their underground tanks could be there for a long time. And just like we talked about before, when fuel sits too long, it starts losing its quality. Additives break down, moisture can build up, and impurities can settle inside the tank. Now combine that with less strict maintenance practices in some of these locations, and the risk increases even more. So instead of clean, fresh fuel, you could be filling your Volkswagen with degraded petrol that your engine was never designed to handle. At first, everything might seem fine, but then during your drive, you may notice reduced power on highways, slower pickup when overtaking, or even slight engine hesitation. And over time, this kind of fuel can contribute to carbon buildup, injector wear, and overall performance loss. And here's the biggest mistake people make. They fill a full tank at these stations, thinking it will last the entire journey. But if the fuel quality is poor, that means your engine is running on bad fuel for a long time, increasing the damage. So here's a smarter approach. If you must refuel at a remote station, only fill enough to reach a trusted, busy station ahead. Because when it comes to your Volkswagen, convenience should never come at the cost of your engine's health. So now you know the truth. Not all gas stations are safe for your Volkswagen, and the wrong choice at the pump can quietly destroy your engine without any warning. From unknown stations to poorly maintained pumps, to old fuel sitting for too long, every single one of these can slowly reduce your engine's life, performance, and fuel efficiency. And the worst part? Most drivers only realize it when the damage is already expensive. But now you're different. Now you know what to look for, what to avoid, and how to protect your engine every single time you refuel. So next time you stop at a gas station, don't just think about price or convenience. Think about quality. Think about safety. Think about your Volkswagen's long-term health. If this video helped you understand something new, make sure you don't ignore it when you're on the road. And if you want more real, practical VW tips that can save you money and protect your car, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications, because the next one could save you from a very costly mistake.